Here we go, the mad people. We're not the only mad people in Snodland. Say hello to all the crazy people and the doggies.
I'll get out of work tomorrow is a man. Tell them you get out the drive first and get stuck.
Which one's this one here?
That's Hamish.
Hamish. Okay. Hamish. Hamish. Kika. Say hello, Kika.
Okay, boy.
And the other one is called Sky. Hello, Sky. And the nutty owners.
Oh, that's Trish.
I like the way you said that's Trish. We get the mad crazy dogs. I'll get you a video. Kika! Fetch him, Kika. Fetch him. Oh, who's he see? Go, 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 go. We are fucking crazy.
I'm alright. One of the girls brought me a bottle of Jamaican...
Oh, Jamaican rum.
No, not the rum. It is rum, Jamaica rum, but it's the cream.
Oh, I love that. Yeah, that's nice.
Do you?
So you
And
will
I've
be
got
warm after that.
that I got for Jamaica a while ago, the 100%.
Yeah, I've seen it. I've had taste it. It's lovely.
It's 151.
Yeah,
Oh,
lovely.
really?
Yeah, they
at
send
that
rockets
nutty.
to the moon with that.
Look at this
I'm
bloke.
alright.
I've got the new baby.
What is
That's
it?
like the orange one.
Yeah, let me see that face.
Tried that.
Come here.
Big bottles.
I'm not really fond of creamy drinks, you know, but...
I like
she brought-
Baileys.
I do like baby.
she just
Baileys
brought
and
back
coffee.
Jamaica for me
Yeah.
today.
Kika.
That was really nice
Fetch
of her.
Fetch it, Kika.
So I'm alright for pain control. That's it. If any of my fingers or toes decide to drop off. Come on, boy.
Oh.